Hello everybody, today we will see how to find out your G-Shock watch is fake or real. So for that we will have a test. Actually the time you will set, the needle will take smallest path to achieve that. If it is doing so, then it is real. If it is not, then it is fake. Now here we can say 10:34 and minute hand and R at same position in analog condition 10:34. Now I'm going to change time to 12. So this should, if it is real, then it should take this path, means this will shift to this. I'm going to set time to 12. I have made it to 12. You can see over here. Now press on adjust button. So it was going clockwise and it has achieved this position. Now I am changing it a bit to this position. For setting time to 14 hour, first press adjust button for 5 seconds, then it will blink time zone. Then you have to use mode button to set your exact time, and use forward and reverse button for changing the values. Now press adjust button. The analog needle will go to its position whatever we have set, like 1401. I have set needle to this position and I'm again going to set this to 12 o'clock. Okay, if this needle will go like this, then it is fake. Your G-Shock machine is fake. If it will go from here to here, then it is genuine G-Shock watch. Okay, so I'm going to adjust time to 12 o'clock again. Okay, 12. Okay, I've made it to 12. Now I'm going to press adjust. Now I'm going to press adjust. If it follows the smallest path to achieve this target 12 o'clock, then it will be real G-Shock. Otherwise, if it is going like this, then it will be a G-Shock watch. So let's press adjust button. So we can see this is going anti-clockwise to achieve that target because it is nearby this. So it will be stopped here. Okay, so you can see it has achieved 12 o'clock by its smallest path. So this one is real G-Shock. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.